Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It is part 2 of the Tron Jeep thing. Tron Jeep thing. We just did the doors. We did the doors in the last video, and so now it's time to do some of the side stuff. So what I'm thinking about doing is this line right here, all the way up and all the way around to the other side, and then also this line on the hood. And then maybe these lines right here and right here, as well as possibly a few, like maybe just like one on the bottom. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead, set the tripod up and do it. Well, I'll do as much as I can before the sun goes down. And then I guess if the sun goes down, I'll just do it and then show you guys what it looks like at night, because that's when it really matters. So let's go and do that. Well, I forgot to start the video, but I just did this front thing, so let's continue from there. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the doors done. You guys already know that. And I was just working on this right here. So we have the hood done, and it looks awesome. So we are done with the doors and the hood and part of the side now. I'm gonna call it a night because I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes and I just wanna go inside. So I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow, and we should get the sides done, and then it will be almost complete. So let's skip to that. Ladies and gentlemen, last time you saw me, we had just completed, well, I told you we completed the hood. And well, I did a little bit more work after I turned the camera off. So I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you what I did. Last night, whenever I showed you, it was just this line here, and there was one line there, and then this line right here. But I went ahead and added this second line there, and then this line here and here. So it looks very good, and it pulls everything together. The front, I think, is completed. The front half is completed. It looks like something from like Avatar or something. It looks amazing. And I do have the doors on. I also do have the doors on, so you can kind of see it's pulled all together. But with that being said, there's a few more lines I would like to do to pull it all together. That being this line. Oh, I gotta trim that. This line right here, just to connect this and this. I would also like to extend this a little bit, and I would like to extend this one to go all the way here, and that should complete everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on the tripod, and I will complete this Tron Jeep build, well, not build, this Tron Jeep project, and then I will show you guys the finished product. So let's go ahead and get to it. That I want to go ahead and try. Let me just do it real fast. So we just finished with all of our lines on this Tron project, and so let's just go ahead and jump right in to the edit. So there you have it, boys and girls. We have finished the Tron project on the Jeep, and it just looks so good. Let me just show you guys what it looks like without any light, so you can really see it. So without any flash, you really can't see the outline. You can see a little bit, but not much. So you should be able to see it if headlights shine on it, but this sadly is probably very illegal. I might get pulled over for it if they see it at night, because at night's really when it's gonna pop out. During the day it shouldn't be too bad, so I shouldn't have to worry about it too much, but I think it turned out really well. If you guys want to see some more pictures, you can follow my Snapchat at Sean Canoy. I'll leave it on the screen. And then my Instagram at Sean Canoy. And my second Instagram at Simo Suds. So you can follow those for more updates on the channel. Other than that, make sure you subscribe, leave a like on the video, and comment what you guys think of the Tron Jeep. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.